All right, guys, pull out those notebooks for the notes. Yeah. We don't have too many today. Don't worry. Well, we never have too many.
We don't have to do them? Okay.
Oh, no, you have to. All right, today we're talking about ratios and proportions. All right. Damien, have a seat. Pull out your notebook. All right. So, first things first, a ratio is a comparison between like quantities.
Can I just do one more try? Just one more. What's the last one going to be for?
Or numbers.
I was just playing. I was just trying to sit down.
Okay. So everyone get that? Ratio is a comparison between like quantities or numbers. All right.
Isn't a ratio like percentage?
Not exactly, but we'll get into some of that. But first, how do you both go over how you write a ratio? So, ratio, we can write it like 3 to 5, all right? There's also a few different ways we can write it. So, 3 and 5, so as in like 3 inches to 5 inches. Or 3 minutes to 5 minutes. But we can also write this, instead of writing it one number over another, we can also write it 3, 5 like that. Okay? We could just write out 3 and then the word 2 and then 5. So all of these are the same. There's just a couple different ways we can write them out. You'll see them in your notebooks and stuff written, or in your work later, written different ways and whatnot. Okay? All right. So next thing. Next thing we have is, you got to keep in mind 2 equal ratios make a proportion. All right? So, let's get an example in here. Would you guys agree that those are equal? No? We have 2 over 4 and 1 over 2. If you simplified this, it would simplify into 1 over 2, right? So those are the same, okay? So that would be a proportion. 2 equal ratios make a proportion.
Cross multiply?
We're getting into that.
Okay.
All right? So, with proportions, our cross products will equal out to be the same. So, cross products are 2 over 4 equals. We'll keep the same example here. So, our cross products, we find those by multiplying the 2 by the 2. 9 equals 4, right?
They call it cross multiply.
Yep, cross multiply, and that's what we're doing exactly right after this. So cross product of this diagonal would be 4 times 1, which also equals 4. So we know this is a true proportion because after we cross the products, it will come out to be the same. Everyone get that so far? Everyone on the same page? All right. Let's start jumping into the cross multiplying.